Hello students, this is English High School in Vijaypura. Today I will teach 9th maths. Topic is polynomials exercise 4.4 first main. Okay. In previous video already discussed about exercise 4.4 first main. 3 problems already completed. Okay. This class we discuss one problem on second main also. Take down page number 74. Take down page number 74. Exercise 4.4 first main. Determine which of the following polynomials has x plus 1 a factor. Fourth problem. First main, x plus 1 is a divisor. Okay, fourth problem, x cube minus x square minus of 2 plus root 2 into x plus root 2. Okay, this is dividend. X cube minus x square minus of 2 plus root 2 into x plus root 2. Okay, first we find out x value, after find out remainder. Okay, given p of x is equal to x cube minus x square minus of 2 plus root 2 into x plus root 2. This is dividend. G of x is a divisor. G of x is equal to x plus 1. Okay. First we find out x value, after we find out remainder. Okay. Previous 3 problems are x value already complete ಮಾಡಿದಿರಲ್ವಾ, find out ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು g of x is equal to 0, g of x is equal to x plus 1. Okay, g of x is equal to 0 is equal to x plus 1. X change the place. X plus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus 1 goes to that side. That side sign is changes. Okay, minus 1. X value is a minus 1. Next we find out remainder, after write conclusion. Okay, x cube p of x is equal to x cube minus x square minus of 2 plus root 2 into x plus root 2. Okay, see, problem is right is there. P of x is equal to x cube minus x square minus of 2 plus root 2 into x plus root 2. Okay, x value is already find out how much, minus 1. ನಮಗೆ x ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ minus 1 ಅನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ. minus 1 whole cube minus into minus 1 whole square minus of 2 plus root 2 into x value is minus 1. Okay, next plus root as it is, take down. Okay, see, minus 1 multiply 3 times, you get negative sign. Okay, 3 is a odd number, get negative sign. 1 ಅನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಒಂದೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ. minus 1 into minus 1 multiply 2 times, you get positive sign plus 1. Okay, minus, see, minus into minus, here 2 sign is there, minus into minus plus 1 2s are 2 as it is plus, next root 2 1s are root 2. Okay, 2 plus root 2. Okay, understood. Illon sign ಇದೆ ನಮಗೆ, illon sign ಇದೆ, minus into minus plus 1 1 sign multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ as it is number ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. next plus root 2 as it is, take down. Okay, you understood these steps. Next step is remove the bracket. Okay, minus 1 minus into plus minus 1 plus 2. Here see, root 2 same, here same number ready ke nam same ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. here 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ 1 plus 1 2 root 2. okay, understood. root 2 ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ ನಮಗೆ, ಏನಿದೆ this is like term ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. root 2 plus root 2 as it is, ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ 1 ಇದೆ, 1 plus 1 2. okay, you understood. already this kind of problems ನಾವು already ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. okay, see, here minus 1 2 plus also minus sign is there, minus into minus plus 1 plus 1 minus into minus plus means add 1 plus 1 2 1 2 plus also minus sign is there, take minus sign. okay, you understood. minus into minus plus means add 1 plus 1 2 2 plus also greater than sign ತಗೊಂತೀರಿ ನೀವು, 2 sides same number ಇಂದ minus ತಗೊಂತೀರಿ. okay, x plus 2 minus 2 root 2. Okay, minus sign is there, plus. Okay, see, minus 2 plus 2 is cancel it. Okay, finally 2 root 2 is a final answer. Okay, 2 root 2 is a final answer. Remainder is a not 0 0 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ ನಮಗೆ. By factor theorem, p of a not equal to 0. p of a ನಮಗೆ 0 ಗೆ equal ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ. Therefore divisor x plus 1 is not a factor of p of a dividend. Okay, x plus 1 is a not a factor of p of x, or x plus 1 is a not a factor of x cube minus x square minus 2 plus root 2 x plus root 2. Okay, you understood. ನಮಗೆ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು, 0 ಬಂದಾಗ that is a divisor is a factor of dividend. ನಮಗೆ 0 ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ divisor is not a factor of dividend. Okay, you understood this sum. Go to next main. Take on page number 74. Second main, use the factor theorem to determine whether g of x is a factor of p of x in each of the following cases. Already ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ main ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, as it is ಅದೇ ತರನೇ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸೇಮ್ ಅದೇ ತರನೇ ಇದೆ, ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನೀವು ರೈಟ್ ಆರ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ವೆರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸು ನಾನೇ ಮಾಡ್ಸೋದಲ್ವ, ನೀವು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೇನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್. ನಾವೇನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ, ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್, ಡಿಟರ್ಮೈನ್ ವೆದರ್ g of x is a factor of p of x. g of x p of x ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ, ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, p of x equals 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1. g of x is equal to x plus 1. Okay, p of x is a dividend, g of x is a divisor. Okay, already know in previous classes ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದಿರಲ್ವಾ. p of x is equal to dividend. p of x means all variables x is there, no, that take x. Okay, p of x is equal to 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ರಾಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟೆ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಒಂದು ಸೈನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಪವರ್ಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇಡೀ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಮೇ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1. g of x is equal to x plus 1. Okay, x plus 1. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವೇನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ನ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್. ಓಕೆ, g of x is equal to how much? g of x is equal to 0. g of x is equal to, ನಾವೇನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. g of x is equal to x plus 1. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಡಿವಿಸರ್ ಇದೆ given, x plus 1. g of x is equal to 0, x plus 1, x change to place. Okay, x plus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to plus 1 goes to that side, sign is changes. Okay, x is equal to minus 1. Next we find out remainder, the base dividend. Okay, p of x is equal to 2x cube, next 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1. Correct is there. p of x is equal to 2x cube x square, next minus 2x minus 1. Okay, x value already find out how much. X value is a minus 1 is equal to 2 into x value is a minus 1, that power is there, give. Okay, plus x value is a minus 1, that power is 2. x value is a minus 2 into x value is a minus 1, take down as it is down. Okay, See, 2 minus 1 multiply 3 times, get you negative sign minus 1. 1 this time multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 ಅಲ್ವಾ. Okay, next plus minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. Okay, positive sign. Next minus into minus plus 2 ones are 2 minus 1 take down as it is. See, plus into minus 1 2s are 2 plus into plus 1 plus into minus plus it, what sign is there? ನಮಗೆ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ means subtraction. Okay, 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1, 2 is greater than that sign is a plus. Okay, see here bracket is there, difference ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ 2 ones are 2. Okay, plus into plus 1 as it is. Okay, plus into plus 1. See, plus into minus means subtraction. 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1, 2 is greater than that sign is a plus. Okay, see, minus 2, 1 plus 1 2 plus 2. Okay, minus 2 plus 2 cancel it, finally answer you get 0. Okay, finally answer is get 0. See, ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. This is in factor theorem. P of A is equal to 0. P of A is equal to 0. X plus 1 is a factor of 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1. Okay, you understood. ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ 0 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ divisor is a factor of dividend. You understood this sum. Next sums, next already we completed second main first problems. The remaining 2 problems also is there. Okay, next class we discuss about remaining problems. See you the next video. Thank you.